Hello, welcome to Dersin Kitchen. Leeks are often overlooked, but with this simple recipe, you will discover just how flavorful they can be. This dish is a perfect starter or side that can be served with a variety of meals. With just a few ingredients, you can create a healthy and delicious appetizer that is light yet satisfying. Begin by chopping the leeks into bite-sized pieces. You want them small enough to cook evenly, but still big enough to maintain their texture. Heat a large pan and add 5 tablespoons of olive oil. Once hot, add the mashed garlic and let it saute until it turns a golden brown color. It will turn golden brown pretty quickly. Add chopped leeks into pan. Now sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of salt, add half teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of paprika powder for a little color and flavor. Give everything a good mix to combine all those flavors. Add 1 cup of water, cover the pan with a lid and let it cook on the lowest heat for about 40 minutes, allowing them to soften and absorb all the flavors. Once it cooked, let it cool down to room temperature before serving to get the best flavor. I love serving this dish with yogurt on top for a refreshing contrast. To garnish, mix a spoon of olive oil and a teaspoon of paprika powder in a separate bowl. And there you have it, a delicious leek appetizer ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Dersin Kitchen.